Hello everyone, I am Aryan Pare and I have done my BTech in computer science, and post that I have worked for 2 years in an IT company, and last year only I decided to give the SNAP exam. So I started preparing for SNAP exam in December, and for the initial first week I tried to specifically work upon the topics that specifically come in SNAPs. So for that, Mustafa sir's classes of SNAP actually helped a lot, and after that my main strategy was to maximize the number of marks that I can give. So for that I used to give 2 mocks daily and analyze them for around 1 to 2 hours, because since the mocks are of only 1 hour, so I try to maximize that. And after giving 5-6 mocks only, you get to know what is the best strategy for you and you can maximize your marks. So for if I talk about my strategy, so for me, I used to give 7 to 8 minutes for VA section, and then around 30 minutes for LR section, and then quant was my strongest suit. So I used to complete it in around 20 to 22 minutes, and then I used to save my last 5 minutes to revisit the paper and to work upon the questions that I actually left in the beginning, and that actually helped me a lot to maximize my score. So one thing that I want to explicitly mention is that Snap is all about the accuracy and maintaining the speed at the same time. So what I would suggest is, if you cannot track how you will get to solution of a question in first 15 to 20 seconds, then you have to leave the question, because there is no point in getting stuck on only one question, because it's all about the game of time. And specifically talking about the marks, so CAT mocks actually helped me a lot. Sumit sir in class used to tell us the specific mock number that are very important for snaps. So I used to save that mocks before 1 to 2 days of actual exam. So I used to give those mocks before 1 to 2 days, and they were actually very similar to the actual exam, so that helped me a lot. So this was my strategy for the snap. And currently talking about my life at SCMHRD, so it's been one hell of a journey. So last 3-4 months I have been through sleepless nights, and days were very hectic. But one thing I want to mention is that the things that I have learned are invaluable, and there are a lot of activities that are going on, lot of events that are going on. The faculties here are very helpful, they are very experienced, and they have a lot of knowledge. So the last 3-4 months have been quite interesting for me. They were quite, I have been through quite a learning curve. So that was my life at SCMHRD, and all the best guys. Hope to see you soon at campus.